Elon Musk takes another swipe at Jeff Bezos as billionaire feud gets uglier. The boxing match is just around the corner. I promise you will. I'm telling you, man. It's only a matter of time. SpaceX founder doubles down on his claim about how Amazon founder spends his time. Interesting. He goes after that. Filing legal actions against SpaceX is actually his full-time job. Okay, so he's taking shots.
Yeah.
He is suggesting that Bezos is spending far too much time.
Since he quit being the CEO of Amazon.
Now he's a lawyer.
Yeah.
He's a lawyer, or his pals are lawyers.
Just looking at SpaceX filings all day long.
Yeah. Amazon's attempt to throw a wrench into SpaceX's second-generation Starlink satellite program, filing legal actions against SpaceX is his full-time job. Yeah, they've been beefing on that topic for a while. The satellite topic. He who gets to own the variety of optimal locations to launch their satellites. Mm-hmm. Imagine that beef. Imagine that feud. That's my spot. I want my satellites there.
The billionaires?
Yeah, billionaires, exactly. Hey, man, I called that. That spot in space right there, that altitude.
Yeah, that general area.
My satellites go there.
With the no oxygen.
Those are my satellites right there.
Yeah.
Don't you dare infringe on such a thing in a court of law. And then, God, imagine.
Space. Space.
It's wild. Like,
space real estate. It's
you try to think about the court that you go to is regional. You go to some court in the U.S. Making a decision about this section of space. Complex stuff. But anyway, here's his other tweet. Turns out Bezos retired in order to pursue a full-time job filing lawsuits against. Okay, so he just doubled down on the same.
Yeah.
It's public beef now. The beef has gone public.